Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. After that, tap on Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!